Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today we're back with another gift guide. Today we're doing gifts from Amazon under $35. If you missed it, I've done 2 so far, 3 including this one. I did gifts or stocking stuffers under 15 and gifts under 25, all from Amazon. I'll link those down below, as well as my entire playlist. I've been doing these for years, and this is actually my favorite category, my favorite price point, because there's so many good things that I love. My favorite things from Amazon in this video. If you need any more recommendations, more price points, all that good stuff, you can head over to my Amazon shop to see even more things. You can also follow me on Instagram to check out my videos over there. Subscribe, like this video if you're enjoying the gift guides. I'll link my cutie maxi dress down below. It's very festive. My earrings and everything that I can find. And I think that's everything I have to say. Let's get into it. Alright, I initially got these because I was looking for those really aesthetically pleasing salt and pepper mills that were all over TikTok last year, and they are literally $100 a pair, and I refuse to do that. So I found the best alternative, in my opinion even better, because the colors are so pretty, and these are under $35, which is shocking to me. They are nice quality, they feel nice and heavy, they have like 5 different grinding. I got this really pretty like off-white ivory color that matches my kitchen perfectly, but you already know I want the pink one so bad. I love the fact that you can see through them and see what's salt and pepper, and they're adorable. I cannot say enough good things. I really hope this is like one of the best sellers this year, because it's like the find that I'm most proud of. I think this is going to be the gift of the season. I think everyone will have it on their Christmas wish list. As you know, Stanley cups not only are super expensive in my opinion, they are like almost 50 bucks. They are very hard to find. So if you want a very good alternative, just look at them side by side. This is a great dupe. So many different colors, Amazon Prime shipping, and the best part is that it's only $29. So compared to a Stanley one, it is almost identical, but $10 less. If you have any coworker, family member, anyone in your life that is asking for a Stanley, they won't be disappointed, because I have both and I keep coming back to this one. Something about it just makes it a little bit better. So I have no complaints. I think this is the exact dupe that I've been looking for. I'm so excited to recommend it to you. If my brother's girlfriend is watching this video, please stop right now. Thank you so much. I found this lunch bag that's insulated and has all these different compartments. Let me open it up and show you guys, because it's so cute. It almost makes me wish I had an office job so I could bring lunch in this. Okay, so it has this big compartment at the front with even like smaller little zippers and compartments inside. It's completely insulated, and then at the top it has another one so you can separate. Maybe you have something cold or hot, and then it has more zippers. It has a handle, and it also has a crossbody strap. You can put your name here. I guess this would even be great for kids. I just don't know like if kids need a lunch size this big, but I'll look into if they have different sizes. More things right here. Once again, insulated. It's just so great. So my brother's girlfriend works an office job, and this is what I'm gonna get her for Christmas. I also think I'm gonna gift this to one of my girlfriends who is a nurse. I think she would love this. It's just so nice, and I cannot believe it's like $29. In my previous gift guide, I showed you guys this Lululemon belt bag alternative, only $17, and then for a little over $25, and usually on sale, I found the Sherpa version. This color was definitely a choice. It's not my favorite. I don't like the red tone, but they have them in black, cream, white, so many different ones, so I'm definitely exchanging it for a black one. If you want to get someone the Lulu one but you can't find it, or you find it a little bit out of your price range, I think for less than $25 this is a great alternative, especially for the winter time. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I went to an event with Amazon this past weekend in LA, and this was one of their like top selling gift sets for beauty. This is only $16. It comes with so many great brushes, and then 2 of their iconic beauty sponges For only 16 bucks, y'all, this is a steal. You can just wrap it and go for coworkers, girlfriends, family members. I think this is such a good gift. I've been recommending these exact bath bombs since 2018. They've always been a top seller. Now they have two different packs. You can get a 6-pack for $16, or you can get the big one, which is the one I buy, for a little bit over $25. I think this is such a good idea. Also, great stocking stuffer. You can divide them up. You know that's my favorite thing to do with these gift recommendations, because they all come individually wrapped. They all have different colors and different scents, and each one has the scent right there, so you can customize it depending on what the person likes. This year I was determined to find the best dupe for the Barefoot Dreams blanket, and I found so many under $35. But my favorite part is that I found neutral ones, like no prints, just solid colors. So here's a real Barefoot Dreams blanket, and then here are two Amazon alternatives. This one, I washed it accidentally on hot and then I dried it, so it's a little more rough now, still super soft. And here's one that I haven't messed up yet. So as you can see, so similar, under $35. Tons of colors, tons of sizes, and I also have some on my Amazon storefront that have the regular Barefoot Dreams patterns with like animal print and all that good stuff. We have this little keychain holder that is actually under $20. It's $15, and it comes in a lot of different car make and models, so you have tons to choose from. It is so nice. It makes your car keys look so much prettier. It comes in black and green or white and gold. So nice and unique for a holiday gift or a stocking stuffer. Keeping up with that same theme of keychains and keys, we have one of my favorite and top selling items from Amazon last year. It is this off-white look-alike keychain. It's nice and big. You can just use it as a bracelet and be hands-free, and it's only 12 bucks. The only reason why I didn't mention it in my first stocking stuffers video was because I thought it was sold out, but they restocked them. There's so many colorways and I'm obsessed with it. On that note, if you have a mom friend in your life, this is a game changer, and it's 6 bucks. It is a car seat buckle opener. That way you don't have to use your nails or mess up your nails. You just stick it in the buckle and then open it super easily. It comes in different colors. Just like a little gift right here would be perfect. These 3 Amazon items. I don't know if it's just me, but a lot of tea kettles, especially electric ones, are so ugly. I was looking forever for one that was affordable but was aesthetically pleasing, and I found one almost a year ago. This is glass. It heats up so quick, like I cannot even tell you. You blink and it's done. I like it because it turns blue when it's, you know, heating up, and I think it's so nice, especially for the price point. Perfect gift. I'm so mad it has taken me this long to bring these up, because this is something I gifted last year. So it comes in a 6-pack of these shaker bottles in different colors, and what I did last year was divide them up between my brother-in-laws, and then I kept some for ourselves. I always say this, but when in doubt, gift their dog or their baby or both. Okay, so these are very cutie dog bandanas, and they come in 4-packs and in different sizes. I have 3 Pomeranians. They range from I think 12 pounds to 20, and these fit them so well. They come in different patterns. They have seasonal ones. I think this would be a really cute gift, especially with like a pack of treats or something like that. I think this would be adorable. I almost didn't mention this because I've had it for so many years. I feel like I've talked about it so much on my channel, but in the off chance that you're new here, this is one of my favorite kitchen finds from Amazon because it looks like the core, but it's either a tablet holder for your iPad or something. The reason why I'm mentioning it is because I saw that Amazon put it on their bestsellers, and they put it with a cookbook, and I thought it was such a cute idea. So this, a little cookbook, this is literally $19, sometimes $16. It looks like a cutting board, and it has a stand in the back. Highly recommend. How cute is that? This tea strainer, strainer. I don't know, I can't say that word. It's my husband's favorite thing. You put your loose leaf tea in here, and then you wait until it steeps, and then you put this on top of a mug, and it automatically drains it. My husband gave it to my brother-in-law for Christmas last year. It's 20 bucks. such a good and unique gift. If they are coffee lovers, you can never go wrong with a little coffee gift. This is my favorite milk frother. I've tried so many of Amazon. I like that this one has the cold feature and then the hot. You can also steam it, and it's just such a nice looking one. I feel like the Nespresso one is so ugly, so this is definitely a step up, and it has like a nice little pour spout and then the handle, which comes in handy, no pun intended. Less than $35. It's lasted us so long. I think we've had it for over a year and it's still going strong. I can't remember when I mentioned these, but these are some beautiful flameless candles. They come in a pack of 12 for less than $35. I've been using them so much because I always forget about my candles, and these are just so nice. I love that it like looks real kind of, and they're kind of like real wax. They're just so nice, and you just put batteries and then you turn them off by hand, or it also comes with a remote control if you want to do that. So great gift with even like candlesticks. I mentioned these in my stocking stuffers. These are 3 for 12 bucks. So there you have a cute little gift combo. If you want to get something that holds as much or more water than the Stanley's 40 ounces for the most popular size. These are a great option. I think this holds 50 ounces of water. This one is 30, and they have different sizes. These are like bigger jugs. They come with the sip lid and then also the straw, and they are just as nice. Like, they're pretty great sizes, especially for people who like working out, need to be drinking a ton of water during the day, like at work or something. These are a good alternative, or something like a little bit better and more affordable. There's so many like coffee syrup dispensers, mouthwash dispensers, even like soap dispensers on my Amazon storefront. These are very, very cute and very nice looking, so they would make the perfect gift. They come with different labels, and also they come in a very nice box, so you can literally, you don't even have to open it, you can just wrap that and go. Very, very nice gift. Obviously, depending on the person. I feel like, for example, my mom would never use something like this, but I know people that like their aesthetic like I do. So definitely read the room before you gift these, because you don't want them to go to waste. But for less than $35, they're a pretty good gift. This is like a super expensive bougie laundry detergent that you can get like full sizes of, but you can actually get the 4-pack of these for around $20, which is such a good deal, especially if you divide it up. You can always do little stocking stuffers or like a smaller gift, because it comes with 4 different scents. A fan, y'all, even if they're not a mom, if they have a baby on the way, if they simply get hot in the car, at work, whatever, these USB rechargeable fans are a game changer. We have like 4 of them, and it's always something I buy of people's registry if they're pregnant. Let me know if you guys want to see like a pregnancy, mom-to-be, and toddler gift guide, because I would love to do one. But these come in different colors if you're concerned, and they're usually less than $19. Speaking of mom-to-be gifts, this comes in a little set. You can either get 6 or you can get 12, and they are just reusable glass jars, Tupperware containers for babies. When Olivia first started solids, we would use them a lot to make like purees and things like that. Now we just use them to store her leftovers or any extra food. Nice quality. They all have different colored lids, and they like completely close. They're amazing. I freeze them, I put them in the microwave. 10 out of 10 gift for a new mom-to-be, someone that's already a mom. I promise you they'll love these. So guys, that's everything for today's video. We're gonna take a little pause to do Black Friday stuff, Thanksgiving, all that good stuff, but I'll be back literally towards the end of the week to do my second favorite. This is my favorite, but I feel like gifts under 50 is such a good price point. It's most people's like budget for important family and family members and people like that. And then we'll do like fun ones like white elephant and gifts for people that have everything. So stay tuned for that so you don't miss out. Subscribe so you don't miss out. And if you've been enjoying the gift guides, definitely give it a big thumbs up. And like I said in my other video, I'm doing little giveaways at every single one of my videos until Christmas. So today, comment what is your favorite color to wear during the winter time. I don't know why. That's literally the very first thing that came to my head when I was stalking. talking to y'all. Anyway, comment that and you might win an Amazon gift card. I love you guys very much. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.